technologies are a catalytic force for development in Africa. Yet, almost half of adults in low and middle income countries do not have access to the internet, even when living in areas with broadband coverage. Digital infrastructure is key, but it's not enough. To leverage the potential of connectivity, investments in digital skills and literacy must be integrated in our national policies. Once again, welcome to Rwanda. I wish you a very productive meeting and a pleasant stay in our country.